Hello, future brides. I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this is another episode of Wedding Mask. Working on making bridesmaid bags for your bridal party, and you're going to turn a simple bag like this into these. Now, in order to make these really nice bags that I've made for my bridal party, I look like these, you're going to need some of the following things. A paper bag that you can get in any color. I got some that has to do with my wedding colors, and I got them at Family Dollar for about $4 for a big bundle. Scissors for cutting. You can get them anywhere. Glue sticks. It doesn't really matter what kind. I found the Staples one is better than Elmer's. Art. I went on to Pinterest and looked up black art, and beautiful art came up that I want to use for my bags. You can also print out pictures of your actual friends and your bridesmaids that you would like to be at your wedding to personalize it. Tissue paper to fill the top of the bags. And gifts. I went to a bunch of different stores to try to find nice things that I wanted to give my bridesmaids, but that weren't too expensive. I went to TJ Maxx to get to this bath bomb and nail polish for about $4 or $5. I went to also TJ Maxx and got a pack of face masks, which are really nice. And I went to Target and got this nice journal with this candle as well. And inside, I would also like to put my save the date, which I got from Shutterfly. It's a magnet save the date, which is really cool. I'll give it to my friend when I see them and give them their bridesmaids bags. But it has all the information for the wedding, and they can stick it right on their fridge. But I wanted to be a little bit creative in the way that I was doing my bridesmaids bags. So I did a little bit differently, but definitely be an individual and show what you want to and inside of your bags so that your friends love it, your bridesmaids love it, and they feel special. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is take your paper bag, and then you're going to pick what pictures you like on the bag. Now for me, on the bridesmaids bags that I have, I actually went online and looked up bridesmaids on Pinterest, bridesmaid art, and a picture that looks like this came up, and it actually has bridesmaids helping a bride in purple dresses, which is exactly what I want my bridesmaids to wear. So I definitely had to print that out. But I got a lot of pictures that definitely just remind me of the bridesmaids that I'm going to have in my wedding and the friends that I chose. So let's say, for example, I'm going to cut out, take your scissors and just cut out the picture that you want to glue on to your bridesmaid's bag. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Then when you're done, you just take it, put some glue on the back. I put more than that. Definitely get the corners because they'll come up and then it will look a little tacky. And stick it where you would like to on your bag. So you have to put a little bit more underneath. And then basically you put enough so that the whole bag is basically covered. I put some in the front and also in the back so that they can spin it around and look and see. And just pick pictures that reminded me of my friends. different things that we've done together over the years, what they look like, what they like. So I have a friend, for example, that really loves sports. So I would go ahead and fix her bag and add this to it. So it really has to do with her and her personality. Take your time to glue the edges so that the corners don't come up. And then glue it there. Make sure it stays on. See the corners coming up. Make it really tacky to me. Then I'll add another one because I don't want it to have bare room. My intention was really to make it like a collage on a bag, just showing black art and black figures and people that look like us. It was a little bit hard for me to find bridesmaid stuff that were for black people, so I went on and just looked and see what I could make, because I want to definitely be represented in the things that I'm giving to my friends. And all my bridesmaids are black, so we need to make sure that we're showing something that's for us. Once you're done with your bag, you can start putting your gifts in it. So I have my box of my bubble bath thing, a journal, my mask, my nail polish. Put it in nicely. And at the end, I would definitely put tissue paper, so it looks really nice. So these are some bridesmaids bag that I made back and front. Trying to make it as artistic as possible and show my friends' personalities and what I know about them from over the years. This is a second episode of Wedding Mask, and I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you decide to try making a bridesmaid's bag, take a picture and put it in the comment. I'd love to shout out some people, and I want to see more people being able to make their own things for weddings. Weddings are so expensive, and there's a bunch of DIY options that you can use. So definitely try it and let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to read what you think. Roxy Rose out. Hey, making bags, yeah. For my friends I've been knowing for years. Hey, making bags, what? Roxy wrote it, cut.